So faith doesn't mean we won't face the storms. No? Ang faith, hindi ibig sabihin, hindi ka na makakaranas ng storm. Ang prayer mo ganito, Lord, give me the strength through this storm. Lord, give me the strength and the power and the wisdom to overcome this battle. Faith doesn't mean we won't face storms. It means we trust God to help us rise above them. Tutulungan tayo ng Diyos para mag-rise above sa anumang problema. Kaya nga sabi ni David sa 1 Samuel 17:32, let no man's heart fail because of Goliath. Huwag kayong matakot. Sabi niya, your servant will go and fight. Nakita ni David that he is a servant. Yung mga kinakatakutan niya, I will represent you. I'm gonna fight. Hello. Kaya nga sa pamilya mo, ikaw ang representative. Amen? You will fight the battle in behalf of your family. You will fight the battle. You will face the challenge in behalf of the students, in behalf of the campus, in behalf of the people. You will face the challenge. Amen? Anong challenge meron ka? Anong battle meron ka? Sabihin mo, do not be afraid. Do not let your heart fail. I'm gonna fight. I'm gonna go and fight. Amen. What fears are holding you back? Take a step of faith. Sabi mo, step of faith. Step of faith today. Not tomorrow, today. Because fear will paralyze you. Faith moves forward. Trust God in your battles.